Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is going to be another unboxing of a magnetic wireless power bank, uh, for short a MagSafe power bank. This one also from Cellara. It is the 10,000 milliamp hour version. If you are looking for something a bit more powerful, and do note that this one is quite a bit bulky than the previous one that you saw from Cellara, the 5000 milliamp hour version. It does come in the same style box with the preview window, so you can open it up and preview your look at your power bank if you want. It does this cover is held on magnetically. Alright, so let's open this one up, see what we get in the box. Now it's going to be pretty similar to the 5000 milliamp hour version. At least with the one interesting fact, this time you get the USB-A to USB-C charging cable inside the box. Okay. User's manual as usual. The power bank itself, which is quite a bit bulky, as you can see. And also inside you get two of these MagSafe rings that you can attach to your phone or your case, the inside of your case, if you happen to have a case that it doesn't have the MagSafe rings built into it. So yeah, you can stick this one inside your case or on your phone and you'll be good to go. You will be able to use the power bank with your phone. So yeah, it is a different color than the other one, but pretty much the same design. 5 LEDs here, 4 being for the power bank itself, the charging indicators. When you get to when you have 4 of these LEDs light up, it is up to 100% charged, the battery, and another indicator to let you know that your device is charging. On this side, on the top I should say, or on the bottom, you get the USB-C charging cable, charging port, which is also input and output, so you can have this one laying on your phone charging your device, and if you have your USB-C to USB-C cable, you can charge up another device from this one. On this side, just the power button, as you can see, fully charged. So let's attach it to the phone to demonstrate. It does also support fast wireless charging, so yeah, as you can see, fast wireless charge, and there it goes. Now this one is a bit easier to detach than the other one. I'm not sure, maybe the magnets inside it are a bit weaker, but yeah, you can charge this. You can charge your phone up pretty good. It's going to add a bit more bulk than the 5000 milliamp hour version, but yeah, that's, I guess, a small price to pay for having 10,000 milliamps on the go and without using any cables. So yeah, not much more to add about this one. It does have a different color. I haven't been able to find this one in the same color as I got the other one, which was a gold color. It is also made from metal. Yeah, you can also try to find this one online at, I'm not sure if Cellara have their own website, but they do have physical stores inside malls. That's how I was able to find these, this one and the previous one. So yeah, pretty useful, pretty compact, a bit bulky, but yeah, you can have this one in your backpack, in your jacket pocket, have your phone charged up all throughout the day with the 10,000 milliamp hour capacity. So yeah, not much more to add. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.